See how smoothly it goes here. When you get to this side, my hand actually slides right off because it's stuck. Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. We're going to be doing a product review today. I've got this stuff. This is from Avalon King. You can see here, their Armor Shield LITE Fast Ceramic Spray. This is the 16-ounce bottle. You can also get it in an 8. They ended up sending me this and a couple microfibers and said, hey, test it out. Now, I'm not getting paid for this. It will be an honest review. If you want to buy this, there will be a link down below, just so they know that you're coming from my video, supporting them, supporting the channel. So if you like this after the fact, go in the description and you'll get a link for your own bottle. But we're going to give it the ultimate test today because we're going to do it on the cruise. It's dirty. It has no other sort of coating on there. So this will be going on that paint. It's, like I said, this thing is over 10 years old. It's pitted. It has no other coating, no ceramic coating. No other spray like this on there. It's going to be the ultimate test. Basically what this is not quite a detailing ceramic spray, but it is almost like a quick ceramic coating. So you can spray this down on your car. They also sent us some microfibers. You'll need at least a couple of those. Spray down the car and it gives you the same properties as a ceramic coating, just doesn't last as long. Their ceramic coating, like I have on the Mustang, lasts between 2 and 5 years, they're saying. Mine's at 3 years, still going strong. This stuff, they say 3 to 6 months. So that's depending, like me, I have a garage. I don't take this, obviously it's a car. It's not going off-road, anything crazy like that. It is filthy. But if you are parking in the garage, kind of light driving, easily this will last 6 months. If you're out in a lot of rain, maybe you park outside in the weather a lot more, or you wash your car a lot more, you might be closer to the 3 months, but it'll be super simple to put on. So what we're gonna do, you can see the car to start with is dirty, so this will kind of be the ultimate test for this stuff. And I'm gonna just clean her up, nothing fancy. This car doesn't have any other coating or ceramic or anything like that on it. It will just be the soap, then water. And then once that's in here, we'll try out this. And if you're wondering, the soap I'm using is just this Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. I do have a foam cannon, so I have this sticking around. So that's all we're going to use. It's going to be in a bucket. You can see, bucket is right there, ready to go, and just a hose. That's all we're using. 1 bucket, 1 mitt, soap, and a hose. I'll come in, dry it off. You can use this stuff dry or wet, but just because I always do my coatings the same way, I'm going to bring it in, just give it a quick wipe down so it's not soaking wet, and then we'll go from there. Okay, car is washed. You can see after the water sits, it all just sticks there. You get the big clumps of water everywhere. On the windows, I'll put a little clip in of the hose spraying down the car before anything goes on, just so you know it's not something that the soap or something is doing to it. Everything you see after this point will be the ceramic spray. So this just gives you a little bit of a before look. All right, car is washed, car is dried mostly. The nice thing with this is you can put it on wet, dry, warm, cold, anything. Any weather, any temperature, any dampness can still go on, which is a nice thing to know because if you're putting on a ceramic spray or any sort of ceramic detailer and it tells you not to get it wet, that's kind of a red flag because ceramic coating shouldn't care about wet. Yes, it is going onto the paint and has to cure, but if it's really hydrophobic like it should be, it should just push the water out of the way. This stuff does, so that's a big plus. We're going to be using 2 of the towels. They come in this little Ziploc bag if you order the pack from them. It's got a nice little top on there. There's 6 in here. We're going to use 2. It's going to be shaken up, spray a little bit on the towel, spray a little bit on the car, wipe it on, then we'll buff it off with the dry one, do the whole thing, and then we'll go over the water test again and see exactly how this stuff holds up. All right, so what we'll do is a little test portion on the trunk. We'll do the trunk and the window, just half, and then we'll leave the other half and see if we can visually see a difference. But just shake this up. We'll give it a couple squirts. This has, I don't know if you can see it on there, a spray version and a stream version. Make sure if you want it to spray out instead of like a fire hose, you have it in the right one. This is our wet one. It says spray a little bit on there as well. And back and forth. Similar to if you were doing a ceramic coating. You want to go up and down and side to side. Just wipe it on. Through the window as well. Same thing, up and down, side to side. And if you're seeing dirt right here, that's on the inside of the glass, that's not on the outside. So there we go. Get our dry one and just buff it off. Outside right now here is 25 degrees Celsius, so not really stupid hot, but not cold. So this stuff dries pretty quickly. And I'd say visually, you can't really tell, but you can definitely tell when you touch it. If we do this with the dry one, you can see how smoothly it goes here. When you get to this side, my hand actually slides right off because it's stuck. So now, if we do the same on that side, and obviously the more you do this, the less you need on the cloth, because now this wet one you can see is already wet. So you don't need to soak the whole car down as you do this. And like it shows, super quick, super simple. You don't have to have all the time in the world. You literally just put it on, buff it off, and so far, I know you guys can't see in the video, but the smoothness after you put this stuff on is a night and day difference. Now, if we throw that on here, dry side, smooth as glass. All right, so the whole car is done, to the hood, to the windshield, to the roof, to the sides. So we'll pull this out. I'll hose it down with the same hose, same way as we did beforehand. And if this stuff works, I would say 100% go and buy it. And why I'm saying that before I even test it is because if it can do what it says it does on this vehicle, like this is old, there's rock chips, it's pitted, it's, like I said, nothing has been done to this car other than a quick hand wash and now a quick ceramic spray with the new Armor Shield LITE. So we'll see exactly how she works out. And there you have it, guys. You could see the results for yourself. This car was absolutely filthy, like I said. You could see in the video, hose down the top, the water just flows nice and smooth off the car and down onto the ground. Same with the hood. If you noticed on the side of the car, it didn't work quite as well. It did bead up, night and day difference still compared to what it was originally. Reason being, I'd never tested this stuff before, so I did a little test for myself. I put kind of half as much as I was doing back here, and I just went up and down on the sides. I didn't do the side to side crisscross, and I used about half as much as I was. And you could see it does still work, just doesn't bead quite as well as it did on the back. So now I know, because I'm going to put this stuff on the Mustang as well, which has the Armor Shield ceramic coating on it. So with this plus that, it'll be a night and day difference, I'm sure. But I want to test it out on a car that's actually ceramic coated, because if it works this well on this thing, like I said, this is a junk car basically, and it's got this effect now. I can only imagine what it's going to look like on the Mustang once we get this on there. And you can see I didn't touch the car after I dried it. I actually just went to pick up my kid from school, and just driving, all the water blew off. Doesn't leave any watermarks or water spots, nothing like that. Completely dried the car, good to go. And I'm definitely happy with the product. I'm probably gonna throw it on the Pathfinder. She's still dirty, needs some washing, but we'll get it on there as well. And very happy with the product. So like I said at the beginning of the video, if you like this, go in the description. There will be a link down there so you can purchase your own. And leave a thumbs up, subscribe, let Avalon King know that you're coming for my channel if you go pick it up. And hopefully we will catch you guys in another video. And if you want to see this stuff put on the Mustang once it's back, stay tuned, because that video will be coming in the future.